just come
You
through.
got. See that right there?
Oh, no.
That's a safety issue. I wouldn't mind
Why
it,
would
but
Thomas Drive send us some shit like this?
this is bull crap. Wow. I am stunned. Defective brake shoes. I am stunned by this. Are you
Alright,
surprised
I need
about
you to
this?
send this to me, like,
That's what you
ASAP.
call defective. That's not safe.
I will, yeah. Yeah, the hub didn't run through there yet, did it? Yeah, sure, just hang up on me, pal. We're about to just cancel all of this.
I just can't freaking believe that.